Veal and Shiitake mushrooms. So this is half kilo of veal sliced finely, and this is Shiitake mushrooms. So I'm going to prepare a mixture of about quarter cup of all-purpose flour or maida, about half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well. Now in a pan I've heated up a tablespoon of olive oil. Now this veal I'm going to lightly and fry it in this oil in batches. Fry for about a minute on each side and remove. Turn over. The veal is just fried. Now I'm going to fry the mushrooms in this 50 grams, and I add a little oil here. I'm going to fry about and fry them and then remove it. It's about 1 cup of hot water. Now I'm going to add cubes. This cubes for stock, so 2 of them I'll add and make it stock for that to add later. Add about 1 cup of red wine. And now add 1 tablespoon of honey. The beef stock. Half cup water. About 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Let it cook for about 7-8 minutes. Add a little white pepper, about half teaspoon. Now stir in about 1/3 cup of butter. This is salted butter, you can use any butter. Adjust the salt later on. Now keep stirring and let the butter dissolve. add the fried veal pieces and the fried mushroom, and mix well, let it coat it. Let it cook in it till the gravy thickens. Now the veal has got the all-purpose flour, so the gravy will thicken. Veal with shiitake mushrooms is now ready.